This is the first class in my video series on hormone therapy for menopausal symptoms. Today, I will review the huge impact the Women's Health Initiative, or the WHI, had on hormone replacement therapy for menopausal women. This is important in order to understand why prescribing hormones for menopause symptoms is far more complex than it used to be. Before 2002, Premarin, which is equine estrogen, and Provera, which is medroxyprogesterone acetate, were regularly prescribed to prevent heart disease and osteoporosis. In 2002, the Women's Health Initiative published data that really threw all of hormone treatment upside down. The WHI was an ongoing study of 27,000 postmenopausal women. This long-term study published results early because they were so concerned about the findings and suspicion that estrogen was causing strokes, heart disease, breast cancer, and thromboembolism or blood clots. This data made all the headlines. I clearly remember the chaos of trying to reach people, get them off of hormones. Over these past 20 years, physicians and researchers have not been idle. The same data from the WHI that was released in 2002 has been looked at and analyzed more carefully. Those same results were divided by age groups, and this paints a very different picture. The most important point when looking at the data is that you can take out the group of women between the ages of 50 and 59, or women who are within 10 years of menopause, and if in that time period they started hormone replacement therapy, there was no increased risk and no increased mortality to those women if they were on the hormones versus women who were not on the hormones. The WHI has expanded to include over 150,000 women. There have also been many other studies looking at hormone replacement therapy in women. Rather than look at all these studies individually, a great reference is to look at the North American Menopause Society statement paper. The WHI did not address different hormones. Everybody in that initial data set was on Premarin and Provera, or just Premarin. So the second class coming up next week, we will talk about the different types of estrogens. Thanks for attending this short class. I hope you enjoy the series.